You can create free AI images as a beginner with what? Zero knowledge. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create free AI images. Let's go. Go to your Facebook app, okay? Just click on this "What's on your mind?" All right, do not say anything, do not write anything here. So you just scroll, click on more. All right, then click on AI media. It's loading. Then they say describe an image. So let me just use this for this tutorial purpose. Let me describe this. Let me say, okay, remember, this video is just for beginners that have zero knowledge. That is, you don't even know how to prompt or anything. Okay, so just use, let me show you this example. This example is best for you. So show when Jesus, let's take for instance, you create faith-based content. Okay, show when Jesus is holding 2 fishes and 5 loaves of bread. He lifted it up to say, Father, I thank you. He lifted it up to say, Father, I thank you. All right, so you click on it and it's loading. Let's wait. It's going to be very, very fast. Loading. It's going to be very, very fast. Loading. Let's wait for a few minutes. So can you see, this is how to create free image using Facebook Meta AI. And the good thing about it is that when you take that image to a video generator, you are not going to see that Meta AI there. You understand? You're not going to see it. No watermark, which is very, very interesting. All right, can you see that? Okay, can you see what just happened now? This is an image. Okay, so either you screenshot, let's screenshot it. Either you screenshot it, okay, then we go straight to camera. Let's resize it. Either you screenshot or save. So all right, so now let's take this to a video generator, a free video generator. So this is one. So you see what it says? Let's make. Hope you enjoyed the video up to this moment. Kindly let me know in the comments. Do where to watch the videos you see on the screen to stay updated on Jesus Right channel, and please share this video to help a beginner. Do where to like, subscribe. Bless you, and thank you for watching. Bye.